Are we gonna test it out, Xander? Xander, we want to see you try your bike.
Cheese.
Cheese, it's a video. Get on the bike.
Come sit on the bike, Xander. Hey, Xander.
He's working on the box.
Just do that.
Don't you want to try your bike? Daddy just put it together for you. Hey, Xander. Go get on the bike. I want to see if you can ride it.
This is all mine.
Yeah. All right, let's see here. Let's see if you put your feet touch the ground. Almost. Not quite. All right, now stand up here. Try again, Zan. Go, sit here. Oops.
Poke, 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 poke. This poke is on the highest.
Who's Pokies?
Gets to get. No gets back.
And that's how you do it. Put your toes right there.
No gets back.
And you push like that. That's how you do it.
Back.
Wow.
Keep
Keep
pushing.
going.
You gotta push like this. And push like that. Can you do it? Good try. Ready? Go. Push that one. Yeah, then push that one.
Nice.
Almost. Come back here. Try again. You gotta keep pushing it this way. Push that one. Keep going. Push the forward one. And then push this one. Almost. What do you mean no, Stella? What do you mean no?
This is mine, Stella. Let me see if you can ride on it. Stella, let's see if you can reach.
So you can try it?
You gonna help her, Daddy?
Xander, easy. Hey.
No, you can't.
Really, Stella?
Stella, you're not big enough for that bike yet. Maybe now you can have Brother's old bike. You guys ready to put on your jammies?
Put those away, Xan.
No, Stella, those are not jammies. You're right. You looked and you saw those are not my jammies. Come on in. Let's pick out some jammies, Stella. Oh, did you find a ball bearing? Give it to Daddy.
That's not a ball bearing.
What'd she find?